let's go get stuck in traffic so we can talk about lane splitting, lane filtering, and some possible future new laws. Good news is, I live in California, so traffic's no problem, and it's basically the only place in the world that legally allows lane splitting.
What's the difference between lane splitting and lane filtering? To begin, lane splitting is riding a motorcycle between moving traffic at speed. Lane filtering is riding a motorcycle between stopped traffic, usually to get to the front of the intersection. One of the biggest problems with any sort of lane sharing like filtering or splitting is a mutual respect between cars and motorcyclists needs to exist. And so if you see someone lane filtering up to the front of the intersection, it's not that I'm trying to beat you to right there, although frankly I'll probably beat you to work. It's that I'm actually trying to hide from the person that is typing a novel behind their steering wheel. Using the bumpers of the cars that are already parked adds protection to us as motorcyclists, as our badunkadunk has got nothing in the trunk. Frankly, a motorcycle doesn't even have a trunk or a bumper. Motorcycle or not, can we as humans just do ourselves a favor and please stop texting and driving? And this magical thing behind your head, you can swivel it to check lanes. And there's evidence that lane splitting can be safer for the motorcyclist. Over half the motorcycle highway accidents happen in moderate to heavy traffic, mostly being rear-ended. UC Berkeley also concluded that allowing motorcyclists to split lanes can greatly reduce the chances of a motorcyclist being hit from behind. Here in California, lane splitting's been a thing for decades, and in 2016 it was actually explicitly written exactly how you can lane split. One of the only places in the world. The AMA, the American Motorcycle Association, has also endorsed lane splitting based on California's success and the previous studies. California is not the only one, as lane filtering has been introduced into certain areas, and there are few states considering adopting lane splitting. So if lane splitting is to catch on in more areas, more education and a mutual respect is going to have to be built. Not only that, legally, some states have considered adding lane splitting, but additional amendments like requiring helmets or proof of medical insurance, and with everyone having different opinions, it might be a while till we see lane splitting everywhere. But at least lane filtering is slowly creeping into more areas. In conclusion, can lane splitting and lane filtering help us motorcyclists stay safe? Yes. Do motorcyclists and cars need to learn how to get along better? That too. And personally, I hope that at least lane filtering can catch on in more areas. It'll help keep us shiny side up.
And if you ever are injured in a motorcycle accident, give Law Tigers, America's motorcycle lawyers, a call before your insurance company. We pay a lot for those insurance premiums, and make sure that Law Tigers can fight for you to get the compensation that you deserve and get you and your motorcycle back on the road. Learn more about Law Tigers in the link below.
I hope that you found this helpful, or at least enlightening, as we can cross our fingers hoping that we get some more freedoms, maybe into some other states soon. Give us a like, give us a follow, and I will see you in the next one.